So guys, don't mind me. I literally just got out of class. I did online this weekend, but I'm just trying to present myself to look cute for you guys for this video. So let me change into something a little more festive. Hold on one second. That's better. So, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be decorating our house for Christmas. I'm really excited. I know it's like a little bit late. It's the 6th. I think we decorated really late last year. So I feel like I'm on a better start this year. So first I want to show you guys what I got from the stores. Then I'm going to put all my fall decor away because that's still up. And then I don't know if I can start outside right now because it's really dark outside. Because like I said, I just got done with yoga school and it ended at like 5:30. And you know, it gets really dark really quick. And then we're going to just do the rest of the house. So yeah, I wanted to do a little vlog style since it's been a hot minute since I did a vlog. So yeah, let me show you what I got. All right, guys. So I have a lot of stuff here. It's like an accumulation of last year and this year. So I went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby and TJ Maxx. So I'm going to show you, hold on. Okay, Travis just brought in the tray. So I'm going to show you, I want to start off with this amazing wreath that I got from Michael's. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So I want to do like a really classy Christmas.
Oh, it's fabulous. I love what you did.
Isn't it wonderful?
I really like how beautiful and classy this is. It's so freaking pretty. So this is going to go right on the front door. So love that. Then, can we just talk about this tree? This star for the tree. This is so freaking cute. So I got this from Hobby Lobby. Love this. This is so freaking pretty. Love this. I said love this like 7 times, but I think it's so cute. And our tree is white. We did, we're going to use the same one that we used from last year. I really wanted a real tree, but 1, it might be too big for our place. And 2, no one's really going to be coming over here. So I was like, let's just stick with the old tree. It's fine. Then I got another little wreath. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I just picked it up because I thought it was cute. But look how pretty this little wreath is. It's so cute. So I have to figure out where she's going to go. And then I got this little tree. I have another tree exactly like this in my little makeup studio. So since I don't really use it anymore, I think I'm going to grab that and put that somewhere. This little tree is so cute. And then I can just like finesse little branches or whatever. So that's the little tree. Then I got this. I've been seeing these like these wood block trees a lot, and I love the trend. It's very like simple, very Scandinavian, I think. I don't know too much about home decor, but I do like the Scandinavian style, and I feel like this reminds me of that. It's really simple. It's a cute little tree. I think I got another one too somewhere, not in this bag, but I got this other little tree that I like. This one is really pretty. And Hobby Lobby was having 40% off, and so was, 50% off, and so was Michael's. They had 40% off, so you know a girl went crazy. Yeah, I think this little tree is really cute too. It's really going to tie into our white tree, I think, so this might be in the living room. All right, let's go on to the next bag. I can't wait for this tree topper, dude. This is so freaking cute. It's like not, it's not a typical star either, which is cool. So next up is home goods. So I got this cute little pine cone tree thing with like a red base. Thought it was really cute. This might go in the entryway, so I think that's cute. And the red, like, I might not do red next year. I just want to do like a nice dark emerald green and white. But Travis wanted to do red, so you know we got to meet in the middle. And then he got some red towels for the bathroom. This says Believe on it. Cute. And then Michael's had some lights on sale. So I got 2 of those. I think we have more lights from last year. And then I also got these little LED lights because I want to put some garland on our staircase. So I thought this would be pretty with that. And here is the garland. I got 2 of them. So this garland is 9 foot. So yeah, I'm going to put this around the staircase with the lights. I think it's going to be so freaking pretty. And then I also got these guys right here. See how it's not like, it's kind of like the color of my shirt, which I like. I don't like that bright red. I like more of like a burgundy. So this might go in the entryway as well. I thought they were so pretty. It has a little bit of cotton on it. Yes. And then the last bag that I got was another little tree. It's a little beige tree. I'm actually going to do a house series, so you're going to see paint swatches throughout my house because I want to switch up the color scheme in my house. But I think this is going to be so cute. It's like so boho. Love that. And then I got us stockings. So believe it or not, this one is mine, the beige boring one, but it's very boho. I love the boho style. And then this one is Travis's. And then I got another little tree with the wood bottom, which is like so cute and boho. So I thought these together and then like the taller one behind it, since they say to style in threes. So I thought this would be really cute. And then this wood color goes with this tree. Ooh, she's shedding. And then I have some things from last year that I'll briefly show you so we can get started. So I don't know if I'm using all this stuff, but I do have, wow, I actually have a lot of stuff from last year. Oh my God, these are so old. I don't even know if I'm gonna use them. They're just like little fake flowers. And then I have another little tree. This tree looks so sorry and sad. Look how like, I don't know if I'm gonna use this. We'll see. And then, oh, I also got plastic bins because they're all right now in these plastic bags, which I know you guys are gonna kill me for. I didn't bring enough reusable bags with me, so I had to use the plastic bags. So, but I did buy these plastic bins so I can store them that way instead of these bags. But I did reuse them, so that's a plus. And then I have this ginormous, oh, there's actually two of them. So one is gold and one is white. So I might use this somewhere. I'll figure it out. But yeah. And then I got some like fake wax candles. So I'll figure it out. Not sure yet. But yeah, that's all the stuff I got. Oh my God. And I have this other little tree. Cute. It has little bulbs on it too. So cute. So let's, I'm going to start packing up all the fall stuff first. And don't mind my house. It does look a little bit crazy because like I said, I had school, so I didn't have time to clean too much. I did clean a little bit, but house is work in progress. But yeah, let us get started. I hate you. Ew. Hey guys, so I was editing the video and I wanted to address some things that I didn't get to address because I was so freaking tired, as you can tell in the video. But I want to talk about my tree that I honestly cannot stand. But like I said, it is what it is. It's only going to be us. Okay, sorry, I had to turn the brightness down a little bit. Our tree is a pre-lit tree. I forgot it was white, so that's why we got the lights, because the top and the middle, for some reason, it doesn't work anymore. Only the bottom part works. So I got the lights. The lights are green because it's a normal tree color. So the fact that you can see the green lights, I can't stand. And we were thinking about putting like garland or tinsel around it, but I personally don't like tinsel. I just, in my opinion, I just don't. It's not my vibe. And the garland, like, it's just gonna look off. So decided not to do that. And the bulbs that we got last year are like from Dollar Tree, or not Dollar Tree, Family Dollar. So they're really shiny. Don't like them. And then the tree topper, which I love. Like I said, I thought our tree was green, so it doesn't go because the base of it is green, so it blends in more with the tree, but it's white, so you get to see it. Let me turn it around so you guys can like actually see what I'm talking about. So yeah, the tree is cute and all. I don't like this, that you can see this, and this is the base that I was talking about. So if the tree was green, you wouldn't be able to see it. And then these shiny ass bulbs, I can't stand that, and they're like, yeah, they're not glass. So yeah, it's a new day. I'm going to be doing the outside lights right now. But you probably already saw it because I input it in the beginning of the video, I think. So I just wanted to kind of interrupt and say that. I do have a little other things I'm going to be doing around the house. Those candles that you saw on the table, they actually light up, so I need batteries for that. And I want to put like the little, let me show you. This little thing that has the lights on it, I'll turn it on so you guys can see. So you see how it has like the lights in it? I have another one for this one, but I don't have the batteries. So I want to add that as well. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I think I'm going to be getting some more decor things. But if you want to see little updates that I don't put in this video, definitely check out my Instagram because I'm going to be doing some things there to show you guys since I'm not going to be doing a whole nother video. So yeah, let's get back to the video. All right, guys, I'm officially done decorating for today. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like it.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
I still have to do my kitchen because I didn't have enough decor for that. And the computer room. So yeah, I'm really tired. Decorating is like a lot. Holding this is a lot actually too. But yeah, we have our tree up. I'm definitely feeling the Christmas vibe. I'm so freaking excited for Christmas. To be honest, I am not a huge fan of our tree right now because I forgot our tree is white and the lights are green, so you could see them. And I don't like the bulbs, and the tree topper does not even go with, it's all over the place. But you know what? It gives it character, okay? Like I said, no one's coming to our house, so like it's just gonna be for us. So yeah, I love the decor in the living room though. Like that is my favorite, and the decor in the entryway. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I can't wait to decorate my house as well. So my house series is coming up soon. As you guys saw, the paint swatches on the wall. We're going to be painting, and I'm going to be getting some new decor and new items. I can't wait. So I hope you guys, oh my God, I'm like so tired. I can't even hold this thing. My arm. Oh, you're holding it for me. I love you. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating it. Thank you, Travis, for holding this right now because I'm literally out of breath and I want to go to sleep. We're gonna have some cookies and some hot chocolates to celebrate our little decorating. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below what your favorite decor piece or room is. My favorite room, like I said, is the living room. Yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. My name is Aryelle, and I upload videos every week. So don't forget to put the notification bell on so you're notified when I post. So with that being said, I am going to go because I'm very tired. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.